Alright, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about some Husky storage containers that I got from Home Depot. So let me get them over here and let's get into it. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you something. Hold on. Calling my name. Gotta have the coffee. Hold that thought. Oh man, that's good coffee. Anyway, as you can see over there, right there and right there is the two containers, the Husky containers. So let me get them over here on the table. I'm gonna do one at a time, I guess, and show you. Hold on. Okay, here it is. A little up close. You can see the top's clear. So even if those are unlatched, the way this handle is, you see how it goes in right there? You can still pick it up and it won't open up and dump all your stuff out. So that's pretty cool. And as you notice, that's pretty beefy. So it should hold some pretty good weight. I got pretty good weight in it now. Let me get it turned back around. Let me show you what's in the bottom, I guess. Oop, slide it this way. There we go. Anyway, everything is getting in the goddamn way, whatever. But there's what I have in this one, or in the bottom rather. Not really to show you what I have in it, it's just to show you the container itself, you know, the box, storage box. These are all my rib nuts. The rib nut gun is in my toolbox, the Matco box. Now these do come out. You can change these around ever how you want them. You can put this big one here or put them both over here, wherever you want to put them. It's up to you. So that's pretty handy. I like that. Now let's close this up. The cantilever part. Open this up where you can see in the top, which I guess you can see in it anyway with the clear lid, but now all this stuff in this box and the other one that I'm going to show you in a minute was in those bins, the little bins that, you know, the clear bins that you pull out, plastic bins. I didn't really like them. They tend to fall out and then you drop everything everywhere. So I put everything in one of these. As you can see, these are the high flow. Love them high flow ones. Anyway, and those are too. The silver ones. These things are pretty awesome. I think they was like $30 or $33 or something like that at Home Depot. Now typically I wouldn't be in Home Depot looking for something like this, you know, because I had those bins that everything was in, and I just don't really use boxes like this, or haven't until now. I watched Antonio Claudio Michael, ACM is what everybody calls him, his YouTube channel. He was reviewing one of these, or a couple of these. He has a bunch of them. He has a few different brands too. He has Milwaukee, he has Channel Lock brand. I've looked for the Channel Lock brand but couldn't find it. But because of his video reviewing these things is why I got these. I thought, that's pretty neat. That'd come in handy. I'm gonna get me some of them, or a couple of them. So I appreciate him doing that video, showing everybody. And if you haven't seen his video, you ought to go check it out. It's pretty cool. Anyway, let me get this closed up and get the other one over here and show you what's in it. All right, here is the other one. Okay, Husky. Let me get this open. It does the same as the other one, cantilevers. We're going to start on the top on this one. And I forgot to mention it. These are made a little different. You see this centerpiece, you can't change it. I guess you could put some inside here if you wanted to and leave one of these open. But you can still change these around. You could take this and put it down here and put these two up here. That's about all the changing around you could do on the top. Or you could take this one and put them, both the big ones over here, and put all little ones over here. But other than that, they're pretty cool. I gotta get me some more heat shrink. I mean, some of this stuff is so small it's ridiculous. I ordered it off Amazon. Now, it's okay. I mean, it's heat shrink, it works, but it doesn't have the sealant in it. But these do have the sealant in it. This stuff here is better. I got this from, these are from Mopar when I think from Mopar, either Mopar or GM when I worked at the shop. Anyway, just want to show you what's in these, or in this one. So let me close this up and, well, let's just do it on camera. How about that? If I can. Like you seen on the other one, it was kind of hard one-handed, and it still is. And again, everything's in the gosh darn way. Anyway, okay. This one just has a bunch of bulbs, spare bulbs and everything. And everybody's seen me talking about them when I did my voltmeter video. Bunch of different fuses, different sizes. Those are regular fuses, those are mini fuses, those are micro fuses. And those are J-case fuses. Got a bunch of the fuses. Probably won't ever run out, right? Don't really have enough to fill up the whole bin, but especially with those little ones. But whatever. I could have put them up here where they're smaller bins, but I wanted all the splice connectors and everything up there. I got a few, as you can see, the heat shrinking ones. I want to get more of them. I like them better. But anyway, just wanted to show you these here boxes. They're pretty cool. The good thing about them is you don't have to worry about walking up to the bin, pull it out to get, say, one of those butt connectors or butt splices, whatever you want to call them, out, or a couple of them out, and go to wherever you're working at, and then just go, oh crap, I messed that one up, or I need two more. So now you got to walk all the way back over to where the bins was at, or whatever you're doing from whatever you're working on. You just take this whole box over there with you, and you know, you're done. You got everything you need right there with you. Saves a lot of time. So that's cool. And they're all sealed, so they won't get a lot of dust and everything in them. So that's another good thing. So I'm like I said before, I'm glad Antonio showed these in one of his videos. Otherwise, I probably would have never even known about them. So thank you again, Antonio. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.